Hello, Allie. I'm going to be your occupational therapist today. Today we'll be testing the amount of range of motion you have in your thumb using abduction and adduction. Now first, I'm going to have you put your arm in neutral on the table like this. Good. Now the fulcrum for the goniometer is going to be the radial styloid process. And then the movable arm is going to go along the lateral midline of the first metacarpal, and the stationary arm is going to be along the lateral midline of the second metacarpal. Okay, so I'm going to have you stack your thumb up on top of the first metacarpal. Good. First we will be testing Ab-Adduction. So I'm going to line the axis on the lateral aspect of the radial styloid process. And then the stationary and movable arms should be aligned at 0, or whichever starting position your client is able to achieve. And now go ahead and abduct your thumb away from your hand. Okay. And you have about 30 degrees of abduction, and the norm is 35. Now when you return your thumb back to normal, that will be adduction. Okay, and that's going to be the starting measurement that you took. We're going to be doing this passively, so I'm going to have you put your arm on the table in neutral. Good. Now I'm going to place the fulcrum of the goniometer on the lateral aspect of the radial styloid process. And then the stationary arm is going to be along the lateral aspect of the second metacarpal, and the movable arm is going to be on the lateral aspect of the first metacarpal. And then to passively measure this, you're going to take an initial reading. Okay, and you are at 20. Now I'm going to passively abduct your thumb outward. And you move to about 30, and the normal should be 35.